Smack Point Man here. We have a broken 70 Series Kenmore dryer. It will not heat up. So what we're going to do today is fix it. So that if you have one of these dryers, you can, and have the same issue, you can fix it yourself as well. So I pulled it out from the wall, starting back there. Unplug it. This is the electric version. Now we're going to unscrew this back cover. It has 1, 2, 3, looks like 6 or 8 screws on it, maybe more. And we're going to check the Thermofuse for continuity once we get the back cover off. Okay, once you get the back cover off, that's what it looks like. And our Thermofuse is right here. What we're going to do is we're going to check it for continuity. We're going to pull these wires off of here, making sure we keep track of what's on the top and which one's on the bottom. So this one was the top, and this one right here was the bottom. So we grab our trusty meter and we will flip it over to ohms. And then we'll just take our leads and we'll touch our leads, make sure we get tone. Yep, all right. So if this thing is good, we should hear a tone when we touch both of these leads. Doing this one-handed. So we hear it, so that means our Thermofuse is good. Uh-oh, what can the problem be? All right, so I have a couple other parts. I have a thermostat, which is right here. And I also have the heating element, which is right in here as well. So we're going to check those. So, ladies and gents, I found the problem. The problem wasn't the fuse or the thermostat. It is we have a broken heating element. The heating element is right back here, just held on by 2 screws. Let me go get the new one, and we will show you how to replace it. All right, here's our new heating element. Turn it around. Made in the good old USA. We like seeing that. Whoops. That's a good thing. Take it out of the box. So all these parts are available on Amazon. I think I ordered all 3 of these parts for $30 or $40. So this is your heating element. Thermostat goes right there and it plugs right in, and 2 screws. One right there and another one right there. All right, so we get this back together and we'll see if it works. Okay, so we took the thermostat off, the old one. So all I did was I bent this little tine down and I pulled it off of the stud. It fits in just like this. It goes on just like that, right? So pull it off. Use a pair of needle nose pliers if you have to. Pull it off, and it comes out. Jiggle it, wiggle it. Just like that. So we are going to set the old one aside. You can see that burnt out well. And we're going to set the new one. Just like that. All right. And your heating element fits up in here. Just like that. And you put the screws back in. And we plug it back in here. All right, let's get our screws back in there. All right, so let's plug her back in and see if she works. If she blows hot air, I smell it. And ladies and gentlemen, we have heat. You can see that our heating element is heating up in there. Look at that, red hot. Let's see if I can. See that in there? And we have heat. You can see it glowing red down there. Yay! We fixed the Kenmore dryer. So ladies and gentlemen, that is how you fix the electric Kenmore 70 series electric dryers. If it stops blowing heat, you can see how easy they are to fix. No need to pay somebody hundreds of dollars to come fix it for you. The parts are available on Amazon, real cheap. And it only took me about 10 minutes to do that. So you too can fix your own appliances. If they're broken, it might be just something simple to fix. Thanks a bunch for watching, and we'll see you later.